I want to introduce you to a friend of mine, Darryl Clarke.
Hey everyone. Basically, my grandfather, Stuart Clarke, he built this Jeep in the late 50s, and my dad learnt to drive in it and spent many of his early years in childhood driving it around out on the coast there. I mentioned my granddad who built it, so that's my granddad there, and this is 30 years after he built it, and this is me, his grandson, driving it. So this is the second generation. Right, now this is my son, Charlie. So this is now 60 years since the Jeep was first built. Basically, my dad learnt to drive in it, I learnt to drive in it, and now my son's learning to drive in it. It's a neat little car. Motorbike motor. Over the years it's had lots of different engine configurations. This is the latest one, although this has been in here for, I would say, probably 15 years. The Jeep's been passed through a few different cousins as well over the years. Everyone's done their bit to keep it going. Normally when someone's watching, things don't work out to plan, so come on. Oh, that's not a good omen. Ooh. And it runs.
It runs.
Needed a bit of help, but it lives.
Stop. Are you looking for a stripper? A stripper that really gets it off? Cooper's, the stripper that gets it off every time. No sanding, so easy. None of that toxic, messy dust floating around.